Productivity is important to us nowadays because greater productivity means you complete more with less time or effort. The food and beverages that we put into our bodies affect our productivity at work and in everyday tasks. Foods with certain nutrients provide longer lasting, smarter, and better energy than others. You wouldn't put the cheapest grade of gasoline in your luxury car, would you? Likewise, filling our bodies with the best nutrients and foods will help them to work more efficiently for longer periods of time. So, please think back to your most productive workday in the last week and ask yourself, what did you have for day? What did you eat along the day? There are some foods that can boost productivity, unlike some foods that can negatively affect our productivity. First one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, one of the three essential macronutrients, are the primary source of energy for our bodies. Both excessive and insufficient carbohydrate intake can negatively impact our bodies. Carbohydrates found in various forms such as sugars and dietary fiber. They are present in whole grains, vegetables, and fruits. There are two types of carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are quickly absorbed and converted into rapid energy found in simple sugars and fruit juices. Complex carbohydrates provide longer lasting energy as they are absorbed more slowly. They are beneficial for sustained productivity and are found in whole grains, pasta, and cereals. After we getting know carbohydrates, we can talk about carbohydrates that can be beneficial to workplace productivity. Brown rice and bulgur offers more nutrients than white rice and provides long-lasting energy. Whole grains are rich in magnesium, which supports cognitive function. And dark chocolate contains flavonoids with antioxidant properties. High density of the cacao activate brain neuroplasticity, which increases cognitive function. Please don't forget dark chocolate should be at least 70% cacao content and natural sugar. Consuming fruits and vegetables throughout the day boosts both mental and physical health. Antioxidants in these foods also improve memory and mood. Best fruits and vegetables for productivity: bananas, leafy greens, and berries. Bananas, especially unripe bananas, provide long-lasting energy due to potassium and carbohydrates. Leafy greens, especially kale and spinach, are rich in iron, enhancing oxygen delivery to cells and boosting productivity. Berries contain antioxidants that protect the brain and improve neuron communication. Proteins composed of amino acids are crucial for various bodily functions. Adequate protein intake prevents muscle loss and tissue breakdown, while excess protein can be stored as fat. The U.S. Department of Agriculture recommends that women over age 14 consume 46 grams of protein daily and men over age 19 consume 56 grams. Protein should make up between 10 and 35% of daily calorie intake. Proteins that boost productivity. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and beneficial for brain health and energy. Lean meat. You should choose the leanest cuts to avoid saturated fat. Lentils are a great source of protein and fiber with minimal saturated fat and sodium. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are plant-based proteins. They include unsaturated fats and they are lower in sodium and are better for overall health and the environment. Whole grains, mostly like quinoa and millet, are high in protein. Poultry and eggs are high in protein content that boost productivity, includes yogurt, cheese, and milk. Our bodies are composed of 50 and 70% water, making hydration crucial for survival and productivity. Even mild dehydration, 2% loss, can impair cognitive performance, affecting short-term memory, visual tracking, and arithmetic skills. The U.S. Academies of Sciences recommend 15 half cups of water per day for men and 11 half cups for women. Proper hydration is indicated by the absence of thirst and light-colored urine. Magnesium found in leafy greens, steak, and dark chocolate reduces anxiety and stress and relaxes muscles, enhancing workplace productivity. Phenylalanine, this amino acid present in almonds and other foods, stimulates dopamine production, enhancing mood and motivation for better productivity. Choline, that improves concentration and reaction time by enhancing neuron function. Found in eggs, which are also rich in protein. Foods that can negatively affect productivity. Certain nutrients or ingredients can harm productivity if consumed in excess. While no food is inherently bad, some should be limited to maintain health and productivity. First one is salt. Excessive sodium intake leads to dehydration, impairing productivity. The American Heart Association recommends no more than 2,300 mg of sodium per day, aiming for 1,500 mg. Most sodium consumption comes from packaged, prepared, and restaurant foods, not the salt shaker. Reading nutrition labels and menu facts can help manage sodium intake. High levels of saturated fats can decrease productivity and increase fatigue by releasing serotonin and tryptophan in the brain. The American Heart Association suggests that only 5 and 6% of daily calories should come from saturated fat. Foods to avoid include fatty meats, poultry with skin, butter, cream, baked goods, fried foods, cheese, and whole-fat dairy products. You should choose monounsaturated or polyunsaturated fats such as those found in almonds. Sugar is essential for energy but should be consumed in moderation. The American Heart Association advises men to consume no more than 37.5 grams. That estimated 9 teaspoons, no more than 9 teaspoons of sugar daily, and women no more than 25 grams, that estimated 6 teaspoons. Natural sugars from fruits and vegetables are preferable. Avoid unhealthy sugars found in sodas, donuts, cookies, cakes, high sugar chocolates, and candy, which can quickly derail productivity. Alcohol consumption should be avoided. Alcohol impairs productivity. That increases absenteeism and raises the risk of accident and injuries. Caffeine can boost focus and involvement in discussions, but may hinder creativity. The FDA recommends no more than 400 mg of caffeine daily. It's estimated about 4 and 5 cups of coffee. Individual tolerance varies, so it's important to know your limits to maintain productivity. As a conclusion, here are some key takeaways to help you optimize your diet for productivity. First, balance your carbohydrates. The key is to keep sugar levels in balance and know what are prioritized fruits and vegetables, include sufficient protein, stay hydrated, and supplement with essential nutrients.